A Delhi court is hearing the anticipatory bail plea of Navneet Kalra, the key accused in the Khan Market oxygen concentrator case. The hearing will decide which court has the jurisdiction of this case. During the hearing, Navneet Kalra's counsel countered the allegations that the oxygen concentrators were sold at an exorbitant rate, saying that there is no complaint that has been made to the police that the oxygen concentrators were being sold at exorbitant rates. He argued that how can the price be called exorbitant when there is no price cap on the price of oxygen concentrators. Navneet Kalra's lawyer also told the court that police personnel, politicians and even judges are among those who had purchased oxygen concentrator units from Kalra. He is seeking anticipatory bail after Delhi police issued a lookout notice against him for allegedly not just hoarding but also selling oxygen concentrators on the black market. During the bail plea hearing of the Matrix CEO and other co-accused in the Chief Metropolitan Magistrates Court yesterday, the court asked the centre and the Delhi government to regulate prices of oxygen concentrators, saying why aren't they regulated like they have done in the case of sanitizers and PPE kits and other material that's required to combat COVID. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Anisha Mathur for more on the story. Anisha, what's the latest in court? Have the police been able to show mala fide intent on the part of the accused in this case in the oxygen concentrators, because he continues to insist that he paid duty, imported it and was selling it online?
Well, Gaurav, the hearing is currently going on before the court of Additional Sessions Judge Sandeep Garg, and the argument that is being put by the police is that they will need custodial interrogation of Navneet Kalra, that he should not be given anticipatory bail because the oxygen concentrators that are being sold were being sold by a matter of cheating of the public. Now, currently what the arguments are being made is that the oxygen concentrators that were being sold were not of a good quality, that people have raised complaints regarding the concentrators and the quality of the concentrators themselves, that the government's rules regarding medical devices have been flouted, and the prosecution is saying that without interrogating Navneet Kalra in custody, they will not be able to find out who else was involved, because he, according to them, was the main person in the conspiracy. And there is, according to the police, there is a bigger conspiracy with regard to not only the import of the concentrators, but also the way they were being sold. And what the prosecutor, Atul Srivastava, is currently arguing in the court is that the quality control was not there, that the MRP was not there. So arguments are still going on in the court right now, Gaurav, and we will keep updating as and when the arguments continue.
Is this also a contention, Anisha, that the oxygen concentrators were brought in exploiting loopholes in terms of not paying duty for oxygen concentrators that were coming in for relatives and then being sold to others outside? Is that the point being made by the Delhi police?
See, Gaurav, the police is currently making its points. One of its arguments was that while customs duty has been paid, there are different regulations in place for selling concentrators versus gifting concentrators. That is something that that is being argued, that charity, importing for charity versus importing for sale is different. But the court has raised the question that I beg your pardon, the court has raised the question that this is not an argument that is raised in the written submissions by the police. So at the moment, the police is making its submissions making its oral submissions. The prosecutor is raising several aspects of violation of the medical devices rules with regard to violations of the rules relating to import for gifting versus import for sale. He's also said that there are WhatsApp conversations available where people have raised complaints regarding the quality of the concentrator, that the cheating FIR, the FIR includes the excuse me, the offense of cheating, because people have promised a better quality concentrator, and even the concentrators that they are offering does not work the way it is supposed to, and their app, their site does not say that there is no refund or exchange
Keep
possibility
tracking
of
that story, Anisha, and have a glass of water. I